we would like to talk with you about the Zoom upgrade option for your course package. Now, if you are able to kind of schedule your time, you're diligent about your studies, and you're accountable for your own studies, then the online only package is perfect for you. You get everything that you need in your online course, and the Zoom is exactly that. It's an upgrade, it's additional, so it's not necessary that you do it. However, we find that some people need a little bit more motivation to make sure that they continue to progress through the course material, and that's when the Zoom option might be something that you want to take a peek at.
That is face-to-face, right? So that's when you can talk to the live instructor. This is when you can ask all your questions in there. And it's nice because it gives you that extra kick in the butt, right? So you know that you have a class to come to. You know that the instructor is expecting you.
And you're supposed to be prepared for.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that gives you the deadline. And it's also good for people who are old school, which I am. I like it old way, right? But it's a new old school.
Yeah.
So yes, it is Zoom, but it's nice, it's convenient because you don't have to spend time on traveling, right? You don't have to spend 2 hours in traffic to come to the class, because that's a waste of your time.
Yes.
You just click on the button and you hear talk to us, right? So
yeah,
that's kind of a beauty of it.
And the other good thing about it is it gives you another perspective, because the Zoom classes are not going to be taught all by Yana and I. We'll be there for some of them, but we do have other instructors that are taking the Zoom classes and teaching you guys. They're very good. They're fantastic, amazing instructors, and it gives you that other perspective on top of the two that you already have for the online videos.
Yeah, so if you start your course, let's say if you don't buy the Zoom upgrade now, Zoom classes fill up quite quickly. That's one of the things that you have to know in advance. But if, let's say, you start the course and you see in the first week or the second week you are behind the plan that we set up for you, because everything with us is scheduled. We tell you exactly what to do, when to do it. If you're getting behind, guess what? You need that kick in the butt. So that means maybe you should join those classes.
Yeah.
And I find for especially busy people, this is the best option. Because when you're busy, you need to have a schedule. And when you have a class scheduled in, that's when you want to get into the Zoom class. But if, yes, you start not from the beginning the Zoom classes, but so let's say after 2 weeks you decided to, check with the office, see what's available, and do it as soon as possible.
Yes.
Now, when it comes to the course, we have the math portion and we have the law portion. It doesn't matter where you start. So when you talk to the office, and if we are starting with the math portion, awesome. If you're starting with the law, it's also good, right? So it doesn't really matter which one. You have to follow both of them.
And actually, I prefer when people start with the math, because then it gives you time to perfect your math skills for the whole time that you're doing your course. But
I like the law, because then it's nice and easy getting, right? So everybody has a different perspective, so don't be scared, whatever the schedule is on. So if you know that you're starting with the math, that's good, right? If we're starting with the law, it's also good. So anyway, so that's the Zoom class. Do it now, do it later. It's up to you. It's completely optional. Most of our students are doing the course online, and they completely fine. They pass with the same grade, so don't worry about that. You're not going to get the same grade if you don't join the Zoom class.
You get everything you need in your online course.
You do.
The Zoom isn't necessary, definitely not. So it's an option, another option that we provide for you.